So we've done a lot of mystery boxes on this channel, guys. We've done a lot of mystery boxes. I think it's like well over 100 already, but we've never done a mystery box like this. I have right here a it's $5,000, 5000, 5,000, 5 grand. That's a lot of money. Anyway, $5,000 mystery box, and this one is gonna be like a mix of like, I believe sneakers and some Hypebeast stuff as well. It should be pretty cool. It should, no, you know, I take that back. It shouldn't be pretty cool. It should be freaking amazing. So that's gonna be coming up, guys. $5,000 sneaker mystery box slash Hypebeast mystery box coming up right after this. Stay tuned. It's coming up. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, coming at you with another video. You know what? It's not another video. With the video. This is Untied Hawaii coming at you with the video of the year 2019 of the channel, man. $5,000 is no joke. This one is from Soul Steals. It's 5 grand, as we've said like I think 20 times already. Where's my $5,000 counter? Put it up. I want to see how many times I've said this already because I'm freaking out. This one is from Soul Steals. You guys have heard of Soul Steals in the past. Basically a membership website where you guys pay $20 a month and you guys have the access to like boxes like this. So we're gonna be opening this one up. What do you guys think we have? Supreme box logos maybe, Off-White, Air Force One, Lowe's, the MCA Blues, Jordan 1 Travis Scott's. I don't know, man. It could be anything. $5,000. I mean, okay, we'll start it off then. So first things first, we have a Guts tee. This one is in a size large and in an olive colorway as well. I'm not gonna take it out of the bag because I don't want to keep this, dude. Basically, it's just like a whole bunch of organs on a t-shirt. I'm not a big fan of that, but yeah, there's resale value. I mean, it's Supreme, right? So probably 60, 70 bucks on that. It's a start. 5 grand. Let's see what else we got. Next one out. Oh, this one's sick. I might actually end up keeping this one, dude. This is a Mona Lisa tee on like a lavender, I guess, kind of colorway. You guys know what the Mona Lisa is. Famous painting. Put onto a Supreme shirt. I think the color is kind of nice on this. Good summertime vibes. What do we have here? Yeah, I think this is like a general release kind of shirt because literally the only branding we have for Supreme is over here. It just says Supreme L on it and that's it. This is just a basic shirt. I think this is like all filler right now. I'm hoping, because if not, I'm gonna be very upset. We also have a Bape tee. Literally just a Bape head right here. This one is in a size medium, so fits like a size small. Teal, I haven't seen this before though. On the back, it's like the back of the Ape head. So I really don't like that at all. I think that's super tacky. But yeah, man, I mean, like, it's Bape, so Bape has resale value as well. I can't talk too much smack though, because if somebody does want to buy it or like, you know, you enjoy it, then that's cool. That's your own prerogative, man. Just personally, for me, it's not me. However, if this is one that interests you, or actually anything in this box that interests you, then feel free to check out untiedhawaii.com. All of this stuff will be up on the web store and you guys are able to cop all of that on there. Check it out, untiedhawaii.com. Another Bape tee. Not even gonna take this one out because this is the exact same shirt as that teal. It's just a big Bape head on a white t-shirt though instead of teal. This one is in a size medium as well. Where's the heat? Where's the freaking heat? Can't find it, man. I've been looking, I can't find it. All right, we got Bathing Ape. Some weird design right. It's all filler, whatever. We're gonna get better. I feel like I'm like trying to psych myself up for this because it's not looking too good so far. This one, okay, here we go. We're starting to pick up now. This one is a Supreme box logo tee. So you guys know what it is, man. Box logo Supreme. This one is actually worn. I believe it was like a mix of like worn stuff, which is why, I mean, it was on like the Insta story and I don't think on the website. So a bunch of worn stuff. This one is in an XL though. But I mean, it's not super heavily worn. I don't know if you guys can see over here. Black box logo right here. And then on the back, it says, Bonjour, Madame, 10/3/2016. So was this like a Paris release or something? Paris box logo, maybe? Did I just make that up? And the thing is like, you guys have probably seen videos about me talking about like Goat Up and stuff, about used sneakers. The thing with used clothing, it's this exact same scenario, dude. Like, if somebody's worn it once, that creates a better value for it. And I mean, you can throw this thing in the washer, you guys can get it like, I mean, if it's a box logo, maybe you want to get it dry cleaned. I don't know. I don't have any box logos. But yeah, this one will be on the website as well. And it will be going for a lot cheaper than the dead stock price. We're picking up though. We're picking up. That's great. Ooh, okay. This one is a nice piece right here, dude. I have seen this before. This one is a Supreme CDG box logo though, in a size small. So size small CDG. I don't know if this one is used. I'm gonna have to take a closer look at it. but the price up here will reflect what it is. CDG box logo, you guys can see Comme des Garçons shirt. It's like a crumpled box logo, Supreme on here, so kind of cool. So that's pretty good, dude. I'm sure there's good value here. Size small is like one of the most coveted sizes as well, so it should be good. It should be good. Okay, next out we have a Supreme TNF parka. I know exactly what this one is. This one is the metallic like rose gold parka. I actually had one of these previously in the past, and then when I saw it, I was like, you know, it's a little bit too much. It's a little bit extra, if you know what I'm saying. I didn't like it. This one is in a size small though, so good size again. Best size actually. This should be really easy to move. And they've been rising in value because it's Supreme. Everything rises in value. Okay, another box logo hoodie right here. This one definitely looks like it was used, and this one is in a size medium. So size medium box logo right here. I don't know what this is called. This smells actually very good, so whoever was taking care of this, it smells clean, so that's a good sign. But yeah, standard white hoodie with that red Supreme box logos. I'm not a Supreme expert on box logos and stuff, so I'm not sure what this is called. If you guys know, let me know in the comments below, but I know these go for a lot of money. This one is used. It will be up on the web store, untiedhawaii.com. Deals on deals on deals, because I gotta make some of that $5,000 back. Check that out. Okay, so the last article of clothing in here is actually super sick, dude. Please let it be a size XL. I think I would need XL or large. What size is this? Size 0. What the heck is a size 0? I don't know how to read this. I guess I just gotta put it on to see. Okay, I think I can fit it, dude. Does it look like I fit it? I think I can fit it. This looks like it's my size. This looks like it's perfectly my size. So I think this is like a size XL or large or whatever. But basically this is a Bape Adidas like puffer, I guess. Love this piece. This is a very fire piece, and I know these were going for like at least $1,000. I don't know if this is new or used. I mean, technically I guess it's used since I put it on. But yeah, I actually really like this one, and I'm probably gonna end up keeping this because it's my size. This is fire though. I like this one, dude. I'm super happy this is in here because this isn't something that I would buy, but in mystery box form, yeah, I'll probably keep it. Okay, so we started off really weak, but we came up really strong so far. Like, it's doing well. We got a couple box logo stuff. We got like that Shark Adidas Bape hoodie. We got more stuff in here too. Before we get into like the shoes and stuff, there looks like there's a couple accessories in here. This one is a used Supreme shoulder bag, I believe. Yeah, so Supreme shoulder bag, it looks like it's used. Still good value over here. Shoulder bag, these things are blowing up in price. I think this is like almost 200 bucks now, so that'll be good. We also have a red waist bag Supreme. This one came out, I think, 2018, yeah, so last year. Probably another 100 bucks there. Now we get into the shoes, man. So this first one, kind of beatery. I mean, like this box is very, very broken up now. This one is a 10.5 though. Ooh, okay. And we have a pair of Off-White Air Force One lows. Air Force One lows. This is one of the better sneakers, honestly, for the Off-White, the 10 collection. And this one is in super, super great condition. Like, you guys see over here, there's like no markings on this thing, dude. Barely worn, bottoms are slightly dirtied up. Insoles look great. Also looks like it has all of the OG stuff on here, which is really good. Only problem is that it's used, barely, and then it also has like a damaged box. Two shoes left in here. This one is a Jordan 4 in a size 10. Ooh, okay. Then I believe these are brand new. These look dead stock to me. I'm pretty sure these are dead stock. So you guys can see over here, it's unlaced, but it's probably just tried on, which still counts as dead stock. Bottoms are not dirtied at all, so yeah, I'm definitely gonna list this one as DS. Very clean shoe right here, and probably another like 200 something bucks on the counter. And the last shoe of the box, man, and this one is a Jordan 1 Union in a size 11. We're ending hot, dude. We're ending hot. And it is a pair of the Storm Blue Jordan 1s, dude. Is this dead stock or is this used? I think this is dead stock because it still has this lace bag, so if they wore it with the lace bag, then that's super weird. Jordan 1 Storm Blue. Yes, see, we have one in the back over there. So this is clean. It's in dead stock condition too, so it's super easy to move. So I think that we have good value on this box, but honestly, guys, I have no idea how hyped to be because I don't know how to value like used Supreme and stuff. But in terms of the shoe side, just the shoe side alone, dude, like the Jordan 1 Storm Blue Union is at least $1,000. The Off-White Air Force One low in that condition is at least like $1,000, so that's $2,000. That Bape Adidas hoodie, that's probably like another $1,000, so that's $3,000. And then we got a whole bunch of other box logos and stuff. I think we did well on this box, but I don't know until the very end. So you guys can let me know in the comments below what you guys thought of this box. 5,000 bucks. There was some insane stuff in here, man. And that is it for this video, I guess. That is it for this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed it, hit that like button down below. If you guys want to see more content like this, then feel free to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you guys don't miss any of these videos. And until next time, guys, stay humble, stay blessed, take care. I will see you on the next one. Aloha. Shoots!